Washington, D.C. homeowners know that maintaining a comfortable home year-round comes with its challenges. From hot, humid summers to cold winters, local weather can cause heating and cooling systems to work overtime. One of the most effective ways to reduce strain on your HVAC system and your wallet is through energy-efficient window replacement. By upgrading your home's windows, you not only save on utility bills but also enjoy greater comfort, improved aesthetics, and long-term value. Why energy efficiency matters in DC. Energy costs in Washington, D.C. can fluctuate with the seasons. Drafty or outdated windows are often one of the biggest culprits of energy loss in homes. Winter. Old single-pane windows let cold air seep in, forcing your furnace to run longer. Summer. Weak seals and thin glass allow heat to enter, causing your air conditioner to work harder. Year-round. Poor insulation leads to inconsistent indoor temperatures and higher energy bills. Replacing windows with modern, energy-efficient designs is a smart solution for DC homeowners who want to combat these challenges. Features of energy-efficient windows. Not all windows are created equal. Energy-efficient models are specifically engineered to minimize heat transfer and maximize comfort. Look for features such as double or triple pane glass, provides superior insulation compared to single-pane windows. Low E coatings, reflect heat in the summer and keep warmth inside during winter. Gas fills, argon or krypton gas between panes enhances insulation. Tight seals and weather stripping, prevent drafts and air leaks. These features work together to reduce energy waste and keep your home more comfortable in every season. Savings on utility bills. The biggest appeal of energy-efficient window replacement is the potential savings on utility bills. By reducing the workload on your HVAC system, these windows help lower heating costs in winter, cut cooling costs in summer, reduce overall energy consumption. Over time, the savings can be substantial, often helping homeowners recoup the cost of their investment. In Washington, D.C., where seasonal extremes are common, the financial benefits are even more noticeable. Added comfort and noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they also make your home more enjoyable to live in. Fewer drafts. No more cold spots near windows in winter. Balanced temperatures. Consistent comfort throughout your home. Noise reduction. Multi-pane designs and insulated frames block out street noise, a welcome benefit in busy DC neighborhoods. These upgrades contribute to a quieter, cozier, and more livable home environment. Environmental benefits. Energy-efficient windows also support sustainability, something many DC residents value. By lowering energy usage, you're reducing your household's carbon footprint. This aligns with the city's broader efforts toward energy conservation and eco-friendly living. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Investing in energy-efficient window replacement also increases your home's resale value. Buyers are drawn to properties with modern, efficient features that promise lower utility costs and better comfort. Fresh designs enhance your home's exterior appearance. Increased marketability gives your property an edge in DC's competitive housing market. Long-lasting durability ensures fewer repairs and replacements in the future. Professional installation is key. Even the most advanced windows won't perform properly if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a precise fit for maximum energy savings. Proper sealing and insulation around the frame. Long-term performance and warranty protection. For DC homeowners, working with trusted local experts means your investment delivers the full range of benefits. Final thoughts for Washington, D.C. homeowners. Energy-efficient window replacement is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Not only does it help reduce utility bills, but it also improves comfort, minimizes noise, supports eco-friendly living, and enhances your home's value. If you're tired of drafts, rising energy costs, or outdated windows, now is the time to consider upgrading. With the right energy-efficient windows and professional installation, you'll enjoy year-round savings in a home that feels as good as it looks.